So right, Vedan. So now we go to study about you can become a Vishwanath Anand title. Okay. So now we go to see one of the important game about Vishwanath Anand game. So in the year of 1990, Anand was played against one player. The name was we don't want to mention at the place of Delhi. Okay. You know very well. This is a young Anand, like 19 years, like that. Okay. So now Anand played E4. His opponent played C5. Now Anand played knight F3. After opponent played C5. So D6 after D4, CD4, ND4, NF6, NC3, A6. You know very well. This is the opening of Sicilian Najdorf variation, right, brother? Especially, yes. So we are already very known very well because Anand has created some system. So many system is available. Anand create for the own system against the Najdorf system. There is a Anand system like that. You know very well. After Bishop C4, he played E6. Now Anand played castle. After B5, he played like that. So now going to Bishop B7. After Queen F3. So anyhow, Anand played this type of style after Queen F3, especially attacking the king side and especially rook open line. So this is the Anand system like that. Okay, it will come one move, two move different, but the plan is common. Okay. Yes. Now going to Queen B6. What is the plan? So attacking the knight, and then attack knight is a primary plan. After Bishop B7, the queen will help to the bishop. By the way, the bishop line is going to open with attack. Okay. So after that, bishop going to E3. You know very well this is very normal move, right? There is no other option. So after Queen B7, opponent played Queen B7. Yeah, this is a Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand played, not a young Vishwanath Anand, but young Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand. Okay. So after Queen G3, from this moment, yes, the game is going to diverting the attack. So after he played Knight C6, I teach you very so many interesting point, especially about the Anand system. Now Anand played F4. So especially king side attacking side, Anand is the strongest player now. Yes, after F4, this is the system of Anand attacking system. Right, Veda?
Yes, sir.
It will one more.
But we could play Queen C7 also.
Yeah, Queen G7 is also possible. But he played very calmly because the very strategy is king is uncastled. This is the disadvantage. Yes, especially I teach you one interesting point. That point is you know very well. If Anand, what is the specialty of Anand mean? Any player.
If the king is uncastled,
that is the one point. And inviting move. If any player played about ready to going to play this move mean Anand going to allow the moves. After that he will going to take over that position. Can you understand? If anyone player pre-planned of doing the castle, after doing that mean Anand allowed his moves, allowed his planned. After that, in that pre-planned planning, Anand going to capture the weakness and get it the plus. That is an inviting move. That is an invite. Someone invite the function like that, inviting move. So opponent after doing the invite, then going to do it a very hit shot. So now going to knight d4. You know very well. After knight d4, bishop d4. If the pawn capture means that is not a good move. So he played bishop d4. Now going to first move b4 to threatening the knight and capturing the pawn like that. So now in this position, you know the white playing Vishwanath Anand no. So not like one move, two move. He played about 90. Yes, counter attacking like that. Counter attacking. After going to e5, so come and calculate the moves. Capture, 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 capture. Return capture, return capture, return capture. Okay. So now he played first to negotiate the attack and capture and threatening the piece. So now going to white played there is so many moves, but simple move is going to queen g4. Okay. from this move, from in this move, we go to take over the almost. After going to, he take the knight. So now, what is a good continuation for the white side and black side?
Right.
So there is no other moves because white lose a piece. So
Queen H5.
again going to capture the common chess in play. So after that,
Now-
black have one is going to capture and another one is do it a castle like that or capture with the pawn. Otherwise, any other moves. Especially he took the pawn. This is the blunder move. No, what's going to play? How did?
This game was a very short one.
Yeah, this is going to very short one. No, especially after capturing, he captured the CB2. From that move, white is slightly better, but this position it is an amazing performance. What happened that we don't know that because just made there is a player like that monster.
I just in the database is showing 29 moves and here it is only 16 moves.
Only 60 moves. But wait a minute. We go to take over the almost. So because this is the intermetal games, no. So in this position, you have a chance one for queen g4 and another one for bishop a4. So now we go to continue about the bishop a4 is the biggest variations. So what is the plan of bishop a4? So going to check after anything answer mean we can to play the answer for the king. So he play bishop d7 mean what will happen after bishop d7? So simply capture it. If it is queen going to capture me, next move he play like this, attacking the rook and knight. So king going to capture. So simply play queen g4. This is a good advantage for the white side. You know very well. At the same position, king going to bishop check. King going to f8 mean you know very well. Simply play the queen. There is a capture mean you simply capture. After going to cb2 mean you know very well. Now the queen is going to promote, but the problem is white going to take a counter attack. Mean what will happen? Yes, right. Simply you take the pawn after promoting queen. You know very well. Give the check.
Delete.
Yeah. Give the check. After going to capture queen capture mean you simply take with
It is compensation.
next move going to bishop c5 threatening is there. King must go into some other place and then bishop into g7 match threat is also available. Rook b1 d1 is also available. This is a very good equalized conversation play for the white side. Right? Material was down but the play is very good. Okay? At the same position, bishop a4, going to play some bishop a5. This is a normal move. After queen b4, cb3, after queen h5, then going to play c into b4. Queen b4 mean because so black capture one knight, again white capture one knight. So the position is so far equal. But if it is play queen b4, so there is a double attack. No, what is a good continuation for the white side from this position? Come on, calculate the moves. So now black, white to play. You know very well, white have few chances. One is you can cut with the any one piece must lose. There is no moves. Bishop CC is one of the move available.
Yes.
Hmm.
I think we have to save that king.
But the check is check
It
going
would be check. So
check with going on. So now this position going to bishop into c3 or b into c3, little bit favor for the white side. Okay. So actually in this position you can capture it b into c3. This is good position for the white side because after capturing this one, you can capture this. E takes
bishop
d6. Bishop d6 means you know very well going to mating threat calculation. This is a positional chess, like a tactics position. What are you going to play in this position?
Queen g5.
Queen g5, threatening the mate with threatening the mate like that. After f16, you simply took the
Bishop
then going to make your attack, collect the everyone. Okay, you know very well, like bishop f6. In this concept, there is no more moves. The bishop is going now. This capture mean you simply capture. This is the only move. So now you have a many chances. The best move is going to play this one.
Look at me, yes. My favorite position, yes.
Yeah. So at the same time, in case in this position going to queen d7 mean what is a good continuation for the just pinning the queen with the play rook a d1. Play a rook d1 after rook g8. So pressure the pin. After give the check, going to play this one. Finally, you get a good advantage attack of the d8 back rank with the
d5.
yes, so many squares.
White is clearly better.
White is very good, better no. So from this reason, after b into c2, especially the black was resigning the game. So what happened is whether this game was going to time pressure or anything, the position is very well for equalized also, but black resigned the game. So we don't want to waste the time. Now we go to again see one more game. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like which type of game you want to selected me in the year of 1989. Okay. So that is a very better game for our analyzing. Okay, this is the position. So I'm not taking a white. We know very well. After e4, c5, knight f3, knight c6, d4, c d4, and d4. Shall I already we seen this other game of knight f6, knight c3 going to e6. So bishop d3 is simple way. After going to bishop e7, castle, bishop e3, queen c7 going to f4. So you know very well. I am teaching about that style. You are also playing so many games and. Most probably you are going to master this stage because this is a against the Sicilian Anand system, right?
Yes.
Some of the Sicilian Najida are going to bishop g5, but anyhow, the f4 system break through the center. These are the very power for the white Anand side, right? So after going to d6, you know very well after queen f3. So can you understand this Anand system?
Yes.
Yes, Vedant. So after a6, going to
Controlling the full rank.
yeah, this is a normal plan. There is no other moves going to play a6 like that. So now going to play Anand knight d4. So after capture, I think is not a good move. What is a good continuation for the black side?
I think capture will be bad.
In this position, Vedant, you can simply ready to break through. These are the one of the wonderful plans. But at the same time, he played bishop d7. You don't invade capture and invade the bishop to the attack because you're going to play king h1, then going to g4, g5. This is a very success attack now after f5. So you don't capture. This is a basic one. So king b1 after b5, I3, rook b8, knight going to c6. Anand took the knight. After bishop takes c4, going to queen h3. You know very well, threatening the knight with knight. Okay.
Yeah. Knight.
So after g6, so I teach you many more time about the center pawn. Now the pawn is going to be
Yeah, now the center pawn is gone.
Yeah, we going to take the smash of the black king. So Anand played f5. What is the plan of f5?
Breaking through and bishop h6.
Yes, anyhow. In this
Sir, that was going on in my mind after g6. Oh, let's play bishop h6.
Bishop h6 is one of the plan, but major plan is try to break through the structure. At the same time, you develop ready to develop launch the attacks. Okay, without exchange. So after going to b4, Anand take the pawn after e into f5. So now in this position, how are you going to continue the white attack from this moment? Especially in this position, e into f5, I think is not a good move. E into f5 means after rook into b4, the attack is going to little bit defense, no? Correct?
Yeah.
So this is both sides going to attacking like that. So in this position, I teach a very clear point. So Anand played in this position. b5 is the brilliant move. So what is the plan of b5, Vedant?
Restrict. Meaning that rook cannot come.
Yes, blocking the attack. This is a very good strategy, blocking the attacking way. So after there is no more moves. After a into b5, if it is in this position, there are a few moves available. We are going to discuss there. F into e4 mean what is a good continuation for the white side? The piece is lost, no? Yeah, capture it, simply took the piece.
Bishop 6. Bishop 6. Bishop 6, knight d5.
There is a double attack is going on, right?
Yeah.
And then pawn is going to attack, no? There is in bishop f6. You know very well.
Knight d5.
Going to knight d5. King going to like this.
Queen 7.
So in this position, black take the f into e4 is a mistake. At the same time, bishop takes e4 mean that is also not good favor for the black. What happened after knight into e4, knight into e4? No, bishop into f4 equal to 4. So you can additional chance if you. In case in this position you are going to eliminate the bishop, mean you have one great chance ready to promote a queen. If the bishop is not present, and mean you are ready to promote the queen. That is a maximum will click because another bishop is also another side. So now in this position going to capture the bishop. After going to you simply took the pawn, then going to within a 2 move. Within a 2 move they are ready to promote event because the diagonal bishop is opposite. Okay. Yes. Now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vedant. At the same position, if it is bishop into b5, this is also not good for the black. What happened?
Sir, you can play e takes f5.
E takes f5, bishop into bishop, then pawn into. But nothing.
No, the rook will enter. So rook will enter. Rook will enter then. I think first we should take the bishop with knight.
Take the bishop with knight or bishop with bishop like that. Then going to
No, sir, I think this bishop of DC is
actually simply black the yes simply black the knight. You use the knight because there is a bishop is attacking. No,
Yes, so that's
So
why
simply
we take now. Now we take.
so this is very good question for the
Like
side. So after that there is normal plan because going to FG6, HG6, G4. So many plans available at the same time. The file is also very strong. No, the file is also very strong. No,
Yes.
yeah, exchange is also going on. The multiple thread king going to surrender. So the same question after A B5. After this question going to A B5, he played a bishop into F5. So now played a yes B4 threatening the piece. Now what is a good move for the white? Yes, you have golden opportunities. Try to replace the knight to attack.
Sir, I am thinking how can I get my knight to E6?
Yeah, knight E2. It is very simple.
Yes, knight E2.
After going to rook A8, these are the maximum only move. Now
knight F4.
now knight want to going to play F4, not like that. So the pawn must be exchanged. H is little bit better for you because take over the attack is fine. If it is F mean the rook will also open. So in this position, bishop c4 is also one of the yes. After going to rook capture rook, then going to bishop capture. So now in this position, going to bishop d4. What is the plan of bishop d4?
Sir, now the knight can, if something like bishop d4, then bishop on e3
Vedan, just look out the plan after exchange. If it is H mean the piece going to lose. Okay. So after FG6 is the good move. After FG6 the diagonal is going to weak no. So in this especially F6 square, rook, bishop, upcoming queens is also available with check. But this position only few pieces bishop and rook going to attack. After that king comes to force remove G7. Then knight is on your pin. Knight on your pin. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. After bishop d4, queen going to play d8 for the plan going to defense. Now going to knight f4 on knight f4.
We can bring the knight also to sometimes e6.
Yeah. After exchanging e6 is also weak because we capture the e6 square. No. So after bishop c6, I think this is a mating calculus. No, you simply play the queen h6. What is going on? Sacrifice on the g6.
Rook f3 is also sometimes coming.
Don't want that. You simply took the pawn after f into g6, anything knight in g6, h into f into g6, then going to queen into g6. After king going to h8, you simply took the.
Rook f4.
Yes. Otherwise, going to directly do it a mate like that. Queen h7 because the knight is on queen now. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. In this position, going to play queen a8. What is the plan? Threatening, but this is not a success move now. So, what is a good continuation for the white side? White to black. That is
Sir,
very
I think FG6.
FG6. Okay.
If FG, then we can go knight G6. FG6, Queen G6, EZ8, Rook F4.
FG6.
FG6, G6, knight G6, G6, Queen G6, EZ8, Rook F4.
Rook F4 don't want you. King H8 mean you go and play like, because in this little game you have a multiple attack, no, like G2. So now in this position, actually FG6, after FG6, Bishop G6, H6, Queen G6, King H8. Then going to play Knight E6, threatening the piece. After going to Bishop G2, King G1, there are some moves is available. But especially, Anand going to simply smash the opponent, going to play Bishop C4. Actually, F3 is also very good. Okay, but he played this type of move. After played, there is no other move for the black. Black played this one. He played complete Jujwang. After Bishop D3, there is no more move for the. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Right?
Jujwang.
Complete Jujwang. The game is very nice, but very good understanding play. Right? This is a G1.
Yeah.
This is a Grandmaster Anand. Alright. So I hope this game is very help to you. Good, Vedant.